Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GLR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4487. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. .4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grills, factory fitted nudge bar supplied with all bolts and brackets, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has an average tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one large dent. We have a pair of factory fitted side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. We have the factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has a few small dents as well as light wobbles and one large dent. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover or rear bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right guard has one small dent and the flare is scuffed. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.